Alright guys, so this is the end cut. I put it into some ferric chloride, and this is the result I got. I'm gonna cut it and restack it, and then I'll catch up with you guys afterwards. Alright guys, so I got my billet right here. I cut off the edge, and I cleaned up the weld on the sides. Now that it's forge welded, I'm thinking I'm going to cut it in half. I was going to forge it out more, but I'm going to cut it in half. Put this piece aside for future project I'm going to do, and work with this because I have plenty of steel right here. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's the end of this part of this build. From now on more complicated builds, like this one's going to be a more complicated build, I'm going to be making them in parts simply because I want to put more effort and try to make more high quality builds so that I can further my skills in knife making and trying to make more high quality, more pretty, more, you know, more detailed knives. So some of them are going to be in parts, as this one's going to be in parts, in one or two more parts, just depending how far I get, because making a high-end knife in 1 week on, you know, 10-15 hours, whatever free time I have to make them, plus the editing, plus all the other work that goes into making these videos, you know, it doesn't leave a lot of time to make these high-end, try to make these high-end builds and try to further myself, especially with the limited amount of tools I have, which of course I'm not complaining. I have better tools than some other people do, but you know, I could always use some more tools. I love some tools. So if you like this video, be sure to like the video. Comment down below what you think. It's going to be a K-tip. I'm going to cut in a tip. I was going to cut it out, but I could not find my hot cut tool, so I'm just going to grind it out. No biggie. And hopefully this knife comes out real pretty. I have high hopes for it. So always guys, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.